Hello everyone, my name is Sunil. I am the founder of Nature DAO, Nature Conservation to Earn. Here on homepage, you can get a glimpse of Nature DAO's mission. Click on this button to watch an intro about the project. Or from here, you can dive into the documentation of the project. The documentation covers the fundamentals, execution model, and tokenomics. You can also go through our 2-year roadmap. Now, going back to the home page. On the home page, you can navigate to the Teams page to get familiarized with the team behind the Nature DAO. And you can even go through FAQs. Most likely your questions will be answered there. As you navigate to the bottom, you will see your favorite social links to follow Nature DAO and some legal stuff. As you may have understood, Nature DAO will work with various NGOs on nature conservation projects worldwide. You can access the current list of NGOs we are engaged with and planning to engage with on sites page. Right now, we have a pilot site in development, and for that, we are raising funds through ICO. After pilot site success, you can possibly search and find many of your favorite NGOs on this page, which are working on nature conservation and animal care. For now, let's get pilot site successful. For that, let's fund it and join the community. Click on Go to App. It will ask you to sign in by connecting your wallet. If you are new to the wallet and DeFi, you can go through various playlists which we have created on our YouTube channel. So let's sign in and connect to the Metamask. Once you are connected with your wallet, it will show you how much you already own, how much is left to buy at a base price. Let's buy some more DAO tokens now and show our support for nature conservation. Now, I will purchase 4 more DAO tokens that will cost me 1 USDT. Click on Purchase button. That will again prompt you a notification on Metamask to approve the transaction. Click on Confirm. By the time the transaction is getting processed, you should be able to see your DAO token balance on your wallet in Polygon Scan. Now here you can see I have a balance of 5 DAO tokens. Now DAO token balance and holders can be tracked on Polygon Scan. So you see there are distribution of DAO tokens across various contracts plus individual addresses. Now, as a new community member, you can reach out to us on various channels so that you can be added to Nature DAO's Notion side, where you can actively collaborate with the team. You can raise new proposals and participate in existing proposals. For example, onboarding your favorite NGO. You can even pick up the task and work with it. Thank you for your time. Subscribe and follow Nature DAO to get the future updates.